This is the impromptu tactical pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Right in the Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the impromptu tactical pen.
This is the Schrade SC Pen BK Tactical Pen, one of several models in the Schrade Tactical Pen series. Stylish and well made, the SC Pen BK Tactical Pen, crafted from CNC Machine 6061 T6 black aluminum, provides you with both a solid writing instrument as well as an effective self-defense tool for emergency situations when use of a knife or a handgun isn't possible. To use, unscrew the cap of the tactical pen to reveal the Schmidt P900 Parker Style cartridges ball point. The pen's threading provides grip for your fingers while writing. This well-balanced pen rests comfortably in your hand, and the black ink cartridge flows freely, even under a range of variable temperature conditions. The aircraft quality hardened aluminum shell has a strike point that transforms the pen into an instrument capable of causing significant impact damage in self-defense applications. The flat pen top provides your thumb a solid platform for downforce leverage. A sturdy pocket clip bearing the Schrade logo secures the SC Pen BK to your shirt or pants pocket, or clips the pen to your pack or gear. At a length of 5.7 inches and weight of 1.4 ounces, the SC Pen BK is a tough, handsome, dependable pen capable of standing up to challenging environments. Well designed, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SC Pen BK.
Introducing the Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pens, a collection of high-functioning, utility-driven defensive writing tools. The SWAT pen, an anti-slip grip ballpoint that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. A tactical pen that gives your writing a smooth finish. The MTP6 pen, a high-utility concept with a dual-mode flashlight. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. The Rebel pen, a sleek tactical writing instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pen comes equipped with a defensive glass-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pens are machined for perfect weight and balance and textured to provide a perfect feel. Built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry Tactical Pens. They're not just pens, there's something more.
This is the Schrade SC Pen 9BK Tactical Pen, one of 3 models in the SC Pen 9 series. Ruggedly handsome as well as practical, the SC Pen 9BK is a writing instrument you can count on in the face of challenging conditions. Made from aircraft-quality CNC machine 6061 T6 aluminum, the pen offers the ease of a push-button rollerball ink pen with a nearly indestructible barrel. Click the push button to instantly deploy the smooth writing tip. The pen uses Schmidt Parker Style 9000M refills and comes with a black ink cartridge installed and ready to write. The grooved and ribbed black barrel of the SC Pen 9BK offers a comfortable grip. To retract the tip, simply click the push button once again. Access and replace the ink cartridge by unscrewing the silver protective tip at the end of the barrel. Remove the tension spring and position it over the point of the replacement cartridge. Drop the cartridge into the barrel of the SC Pen 9BK color-coded plastic end first. Screw the silver protective tip back onto the barrel. A sturdy spring tension clip bearing the familiar Schrade trademark secures the pen to your pocket or clip to pack or gear. At a length of just over 5 inches and weight of 1.6 ounces, the SC Pen 9BK is a tactical pen crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime.